How to add a background photo to Instagram stories. Hey everyone, if you're wondering how, let's find out in this video. First thing you have to do is open up your Instagram account. Make sure that you are logged in your app, and then from here just select the picture that you want to add to your story. So just head over to your profile at the bottom right. And now from here you could select any picture you want. So let's say if I want to add this picture as my background on my story, what I'm going to do first is take a picture of this. So I'm just going to take a screenshot like so. Make sure that this photo is on your gallery. Now from here you're going to have to crop the picture. So let's just crop it so that only the picture is on the screen. So here I'm just going to crop it like this and tap on download. And once you've done that, you can tap on the share icon and then click on add to story. Now, as you can see, I have a plain background for now. So if you want to add the picture as your background, tap on the stickers up top. And then from here, you can add a photo. Just select that picture. Now you're going to have to zoom in so that it fits on the screen. But before you do that, just make your post a bit smaller so that it's seen and move it down like so. And then zoom it like this. Just leave a little space down below so that you could drag your post up. So just tap and hold on it. Now, if you cannot move your layers like this, then what you need to do is make your post as big as possible on the background so that wherever, if someone taps on the post, it is seen, and then you're going to cover it like this. Now, after that, you're going to have to take a screenshot of that post. So let me just keep this in my draft. So now you're going to go back and then click on the share option first, and then tap on add to story. I'll just take a screenshot of this picture right here. Now once you've taken the screenshot, so what you're going to do now is crop it so that it fits this image right here. Now once you do that, tap on save. Now the process is the same. You're just going to have to zoom in so that this post fits. Now you're going to have to add a layer of the background image. So this will be on the background. Tap on this image, add a photo, and then add this image right here. Now you're going to add another layer where you're going to add that post. So tap on it again, tap on photo, and select this. So now once you've done this, you could just go ahead and tap anywhere. Let me just post it. Now, once the story is posted, I have this view post option right here, and it's as easy as that. I hope it was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.